So this is Ginny. LearnWithGinny.com is where you can find more free training, and my YouTube channel is at LearnWithGinny. I'm at LearnWithGinny everywhere. So I'm showing you real quick how to create a custom thumbnail on Canva. And my son just created a video, and he had a really fancy way of creating a thumbnail, but I'll have to show him how to make it simple with Canva than using full-out photo editing software. Hopefully the lawnmower isn't making too much noise through my open window. I'm going to share my screen and show you real quick how I do this, and how I also do it very quickly once I have some, I have some thumbnails already created, and I'll show you how I copy those and do them really quick. But I hit create design, and this is how I started, and it's a YouTube thumbnail. It's a perfect size. You don't have to worry about how big it is or what kind of pixels to use. Then I just grab one of my uploaded photos, like that's the one I've been using. How about I use a different one? Maybe that one. Looking over to the, it's kind of a funky looking video or picture. And I'll give it a background real quick. I'm going to do this as quickly as possible so you can see how quickly it can be done. I want a darker purple, so I like that. Okay, then I'm going to add text. And it's going to be how to create thumbnails for your videos using Canva. There we go. Make this nice and big. And then we're going to make it pop like I showed you before. You can find that video if you want to learn how to do that, because I explained it in there, but you're kind of watching me do it too. And if you'd like, if I come back tomorrow, I might show you how to do this in Stencil too. And it's a little bit, it might even be a little bit quicker and easier in Stencil, because you don't have to do all this positioning to make the text pop. And I showed you that in another video. So very quickly, we do that. Matter of fact, I'll use this to show you how I will create the next thumbnail even quicker in here. I think I'll go one more. Whoops. I'm using the arrow keys to move these around because it's easier. There we go. That's good for me. So it's already got a good name to it. I'm going to save it. That's it. Now I'm going to go back and I'll show you when I look at all my designs, I can click these little dots, make a copy, and then click it to edit it. And then I'll delete these words all down to the last layer right there for your videos using, because I'll show you this next, Stencil. And that will be my thumbnail for tomorrow. See how easy and quick it can be? You want everything to be quick because we don't all have time to mess around with crap, right? So that's it. I have a bonfire waiting for me outside with my kids. And that's how you work. You squeeze it into the nooks and crannies of your day, and you try to leverage whatever you can to make it quick, right? I learned that from a wonderful mentor. There you go. That's it. Now my thumbnail's all ready for tomorrow too. So I'm all done. I'm going to stop sharing. Hopefully you got enough out of that to get going on your videos. You can use these thumbnails on YouTube, and you can use them on your Facebook page, not on your personal profile. I haven't figured out how to make a thumbnail usable on Facebook. It could be that they haven't enabled that yet, but you can do it on your page. When you go to edit your videos, if you have a Facebook business page, you can do it there. But anyway, that's it. That's what I use for my YouTube channel. Make it a great day. Subscribe to my channel. Free training and some cool dollar challenges that you can join, and that Wednesday webinar that happens every week to help you move forward in your business. So talk to you later.